time for myself. I'm doing a trail. It's a 3-mile trail. And I don't even know where to begin. Let me show you. I don't know if I want to start left. I don't know if I want to start right. I don't know if I want to go in this middle. I am in awe. Finally, it's been a while where I can finally be one with nature. So this is a rice cultivation. I ain't gotta even explain, you can see it. But man, I'm so happy I get to finally breathe in some greenery. I don't know. I'm gonna start right. I'm gonna just go, start straight. I'm gonna just go ahead and see what's there for me. But man, this is about to be so therapeutic. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Real quick, y'all remember that video I did yesterday about seasons? Looks like these are out of season, whatever they were. It's so funny because it's never too late to learn anything. Somebody mentioned in the comments saying, wasn't that something we learned in elementary school? You know what? It probably was. But I wasn't paying no attention, obviously. It's never too late to learn anything. See how life just circled back around and I end up getting the knowledge and actually intaking the knowledge and learning the knowledge. It's nothing wrong with not knowing, because things that we don't know, we are bound to figure out and know if it's meant for us along our path. And I love nature, and nature is meant for me. It's intended for me and anyone else who loves it and enjoys being around it and observing the small things. You hear that? They're saying hello. I spy. Ultimately, I think that's it. You get the point. Take some time out for yourself. Get out the house. Get out of your thoughts. Surround yourself in some greenery. And think of a new plan. I promise you, one will develop.